Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about AirPods setup incomplete. So as if you're trying to locate your AirPods in Find My and you are facing this problem again and again and you are unable to locate your AirPods on your device in Find My, here I will show you how can you fix it. So as for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So as first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to simply close all the apps, and from here you have to simply follow some steps that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply reset your AirPods to factory settings. So for that simply open the case of your AirPods, and from here you have to simply press this button behind the case for 30 seconds. So let's press this button for 30 seconds and reset your AirPods to factory settings, and after this you have to reconnect your AirPods with your device again. So let's reset the AirPods and reconnect the AirPods with your device again. And after this, if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you have to reset network settings of your device. So for that, tap on settings, scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset. Tap on reset and reset your network settings from here. So I reset the network setting, then after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem then go for the other solution, that is you have to simply open your accessibility and from here scroll it below, tap on AirPods, and from here you have to simply check this button for default settings. So guys, check on default from here, and after this also check on default button from here, and after this scroll it below, and from here you have to simply turn on follow iPhone from here. So as if this toggle is off, you have to simply turn this on. So after this tap on audio accessibility settings, and from here you have to simply turn off headphone accommodation, and from here turn off background sounds, and from here scroll it below, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to open your settings again, and from here tap on your Apple ID, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID for one time, and then you have to sign in your Apple ID again after restarting your iPhone. So I sign out your Apple ID and restart your device, and after this reconnect your AirPods with your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this open your Find My app, and from here you have to simply turn your Find My iPhone on. So if it is off, you have to simply turn this on, and after this from here you have to simply turn on send last location as well. So I turn this on and also turn this toggle on for Find My network. So as after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will not face this message again while locating your AirPods on Find My. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.